Hi tutors, I'm going to demonstrate science projects 11 and 12 for Friday. The first one, the purpose of this experiment is to determine why the planets continue to move through space. You're going to take a cake pan with a paper towel cut out. You're going to put in there, place your marble in there, start circling the marble around it with the paper towel on the bottom. What I've done is I'm stopping it and having them count how many times it goes around after I stop it. And that was half a circle. And we've gotten up to like half a time and to 3.5 times. When you take the paper towel circle out and you go around and stop it obviously goes down around a whole lot more times because there's less resistance. So that's what you're explaining, is that the planets are continuing to orbit the sun because there's no resistance in space, so there's nothing to stop them from orbiting. And Newton's first law of motion, which is the law of inertia, states that an object at rest tends to remain at rest, and an object in motion tends to remain in motion, which is what the planets are doing. They're remaining in motion. Okay, this is Science Experiment 12. The purpose of this is to determine the effect of the distance on the orbiting speed of planets. And we've got a washer attached to a 3-foot string. You're going to stand in a clear space with no kids around, and you're going to spin this around as slow as you can. You're demonstrating like Pluto and Neptune going around nice and slow because it's the furthest from the sun. So their orbiting speed is slower because the further away the planets are from the sun, the slower their orbiting speed is going to be. The closer the planets are to the sun, the faster their orbiting speed is going to be. So then you're going to choke up on to like a foot of string, and you're going to go slow, again, as slow as you possibly can just to keep it taut. And that's how fast it's going. I'm just moving it as little as I can, and it's going that fast. So that's what you're demonstrating. That the closer the planets are to the sun, the faster they move because the gravitational force and pull is much stronger as opposed to the ones furthest from the sun. Kids are going to want to try this one, so let them do it, but just have them stay away from one another one at a time and let them swing it around. I just know they're going to want to try this, so let's let them try it with supervision. Thanks.